Welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to keep the row or the column header intact while working throughout the sheet. So in this sheet, we have a column details of products A, B, C, D, and also we have a row header like units sold, price, sales, etc. So this table contains only 5 rows and I can see all the details in one shot. What if I have lot of data and I'll have to scroll down through the entire sheet? So in that case, I want the details of the header, row header and the column header. So I'll go ahead and show you how to keep the row header intact while working on the other sheet. So I'll go to the view toolbar and I'll click on freeze panes. So before that, I'll show you where to keep or select the cell before we freeze the panes. So if I want to freeze the row header, I'll go and click on the second row, saying the first row I have to freeze it. So any rows that is above the selected rows will get freezed. So I'll go to view toolbar and I'll click on freeze top rows. So now even if I'm scrolling down, the top header remains intact. Now I want to freeze the column header also, the product details, product A, B, and C, D. So now what I'll do is I want to freeze the column header. So any column bes- that is to the left of the selected column will get freezed. Now I'll go to view toolbar and I'll click on freeze first column. So now you'll see that even if I'm scrolling to the right, you will be able to see the product details or the column header. Now, one thing you must have noticed when I changed the column freeze, the the row freeze got removed. So if I'm moving down, the row their headers are not intact. So what I need to do if I want to freeze the rows and also the column. So I'll first unfreeze the panes. Now what I'll do, I'll keep my cursor here. That means I want to block the column here to the left of the cell, and I also want to block or freeze the rows above this cell. So I want to freeze both rows and columns. So I'll go to freeze panes and I'll click on freeze panes. So this will freeze both rows and column. So I'll click on this. Now this got freezed. Even if I'm scrolling down, the row headers are not going off, and even if I'm scrolling to the right, the column header is not going off. So this is how you will freeze the row and column panes and work on the entire sheet. Thank you.